In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate your Outlook calendar with ClickUp step by step so your tasks and events stay perfectly in sync. This is incredibly useful if you manage projects in ClickUp but rely on Outlook for meetings, deadlines, and daily scheduling. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean two-way setup that saves time and keeps everything organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account as you normally would. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Go ahead and click on that avatar to open the account menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where ClickUp lets you manage your personal preferences, integrations, and connected apps. Inside the Settings panel, look for the option labeled App Center and click on it. The App Center is where ClickUp houses all of its native integrations with other tools, like calendars, communication apps, and automation services. Once the App Center loads, you'll see a list or search bar for available integrations. In the search field, type Outlook Calendar. When it appears in the results, click on Outlook Calendar to open the integration page. On this page, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin the integration process. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Outlook or Microsoft 365 credentials and complete the authentication process. Microsoft may ask you to confirm permissions so ClickUp can access your calendar data. Review the permissions and approve them so the integration can work properly. Once authentication is complete, you'll be taken back to ClickUp to configure the sync settings. Here, you can choose which Outlook calendar you want to sync if you have multiple calendars under your account. Next, decide how tasks should sync. You can choose to sync all tasks or only tasks assigned specifically to you, depending on how you manage your workload. This step is important because it controls how much information flows between ClickUp and Outlook. After reviewing your selections, click Save to finalize the integration. Once everything is connected, Outlook events will begin appearing automatically in ClickUp's calendar view. At the same time, eligible ClickUp tasks can sync over to Outlook, giving you visibility in both platforms. This means you can plan your day in Outlook while still tracking progress inside ClickUp without switching back and forth constantly. Take a moment to open ClickUp's calendar view to confirm that your Outlook events are showing correctly. If you don't see them right away, give it a few minutes to sync or refresh the page. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Outlook Calendar with ClickUp and set up a smoother workflow for managing your time and tasks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.